We're going to head out and do 10 installations of the new COVID curtains. This is going to be from San Diego up to Disneyland.
You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. I hung my
Audit number 2.
head and cried.
So in all, it was a very encouraging day. It sure feels good to be able to provide a solution to a big problem. That's the people that are in these assisted living homes that don't get to see their families, and it's a big deal. And it's so great to see Pacifica make it a priority to put these in all their locations. Absolutely encouraging. A lot of fun people, a lot of new friends, and definitely a good ending to a great day.